Welcome back. You're in the Politbureau, and it's time for Spinners and Spanners, the lighter side of politics. Former President Jacob Zuma may be new to Twitter, but US President Donald Trump is not. This week, he was trolled by Burger King for misspelling hamburgers as hamburgers. And as it turns out, each time Trump misspells or misuses a word, Americans Google it. And according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, they then start spelling it better themselves. This courtesy of the Huffington Post.
Words, I have the best words. I say lion. How would you spell that? L-Y-E-N. Lion. With a big apostrophe.
Making America great again. The Politbureau is now closed.